Hey everybody.
Hello.
Welcome back to the channel. Today you find us here at Brinklow Marina.
Brinklow Marina,
yeah. In the background there. And we're doing a pop-up shop today, aren't we?
Yes, which is lovely. They offer you free mooring if you are a roving trader, so you can just give Dave a call in the office and just let him know when you want to come. And they love traders to come down here. They invite all the villagers and all the moorers, and people can come by car. They just need to sign in at the office, and you can come and see what people are selling, including us. So we do hope to see a lot of people today.
And it's a beautiful day.
It is, lucky.
And the wind has dropped. Yeah, it's really nice. And we've got a new member of crew.
We've got a new member of crew. Oh God, I've got to say it, I'm so excited.
Everyone, we've just left Brinklow Marina. We've been there for the day with the pop-up shop. The dog's going mad. Pop-up shop, yeah, it's been a beautiful day.
Calm.
Sunshine, no wind.
Lovely marina. If you're ever passing by, do go in.
Yeah, tell them we sent you.
Oh yeah, you could get brownie points.
Yeah, a few people came and bought from the shop, which is nice.
Yeah, thank you everyone if you're watching this. That was lovely to chat with you, and thank you for spending your pennies with us.
All right, buddy. Yeah, so we've left. We're just heading up to North Oxford towards Hawkesbury Junction. We're not going to get there today, but we'll see. It's about 6:30 at night. Absolutely beautiful at the moment.
Yeah.
So perhaps cruise for an hour and then pull over and relax, and obviously feed this little guy down here. See him?
Where is he?
There he is.
Hello, mate.
He's been really good actually, and he enjoys being on the boat, interested in everything. He's got a few issues when he doesn't want to be on his own, does he?
No, he's got some anxiety issues being left on his own, and I'm not sure he knows what another dog is. So he barks at them at the moment, but I think we're going to get some training for him and get some advice and just try and teach him so he can be a bit calmer.
Yeah. Overall, very good.
But yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Yep, so that's us for a little bit. We'll catch up with you later. Morning everybody.
Morning.
We've just we're just coming into Hawkesbury at the moment, and there's a vintage boat.
Two vintage boats.
Yeah, two vintage boats, a butty and whatever. And they've just entered the lock, and they've got something stuck around the prop, haven't they?
Yeah, so the guy's actually got to get in the canal.
Yeah.
To get whatever it is tied around the prop.
That's a shame.
So we just have to wait.
Yeah, so we're just waiting sort of this side of the Hawkesbury turnover bridge, which is a lovely bridge. Yeah, so we're going to have to wait for these guys to go through. I'm going to show you some footage and for you to enjoy. Thank you guys.
Thank you very much. I hope you get loose soon.
Thank you.
Do you know what it is?
Yes, a tyre.
Oh my god. Oh dear. No.
Yeah, good, just a bit of plastic tyre.
No, that's right. No, it had to be a tyre. Good luck.
You alright, mate? This is my best side.
Hang on.
This is best side.
Try not to move too quick. There we go. Lovely, beautiful. Have a good day.
Take care now.
Bye. Yeah, lovely with the balconies. Oh, where am I looking? Oh, yeah. You're alright, can you see okay?
Yeah, I'm good. We're good.
So we've got a bit of a tight turn here. Luckily we haven't met any other boats as yet, so that makes it a little bit more easy. There is a boat just there, darling.
Where's he going? Morning everybody.
Morning.
We're, as you can see behind us, at Hawkesbury Junction, bridge number 1. The Oxford Canal this side and the Coventry Canal the other side. We moored up on the Coventry last night, didn't we?
Yeah, lovely little place to moor.
Yeah, nice and peaceful actually.
Yeah, apart from a couple of motorbikes that went past on the towpath.
Yeah, in the daytime. No, they weren't on the towpath. I think
they?
I think they were in a field.
Okay.
Yeah, but anyway. Yeah, really nice. You can see the lock down there. There's a boat just coming in. Very small rise and fall on that. I think like
Not even a foot, is it?
less than a foot. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's the smallest one or not, but anyway.
Didn't take long to get through.
Nice gentleman there yesterday helped us through this way. He got his copper coated windlass, didn't he?
Oh yeah, one of the volunteers, the CRT volunteers.
Very posh.
Who are diamonds. But yeah, he came to help, which was nice.
Yeah, very nice. But lovely little place. We've just used the CRT facility here. Put the rubbish in, and we're going to have a walk into the village to do a little bit of shopping.
Should we show them the
Show
CRT facilities?
Yeah,
So they
there
can
it
see
is.
where the rubbish and everything goes.
There it is, behind us there.
So they have everything, well mostly it's all locked. So you
Yeah.
buy keys when you've got a licence from the CRT, Canal and River Trust. So we've just unlocked the door, thrown the rubbish in, but around the other side there's lockable toilets and there's also somewhere to put your ash as well.
Yeah.
So all the way along the canals you have these facilities dotted along.
Easy for you to say.
Which means you can get rid of your rubbish and and use other things if you need to, which is really useful.
Yeah.
And part of what comes with your licence, because you pay for a licence to be on the canal, so it's all part of that.
Yeah. Not sure if you can hear him, but got a little Floki dog with us. Just going for a little wander, and yeah, gonna have a walk into the village, get a few little bits, and then maybe do a couple of hours cruising.
Yeah, if the rain stays off.
It's supposed to be thunderstorms sort of mid-afternoon, and yesterday was supposed to be really bad as well, but it actually turned out quite nice, didn't it?
Weather's just so changeable, you can't, it's really hard to plan anything, but at least it's not raining, which is good.
Yeah. Anyway, there we go, Hawkesbury Junction, done.
We've got a little VW graveyard here. We spotted it on the way past and we thought we've got to catch it. We both love dubs and we've both had one in the past.
Yeah, some T4s. There's an old Porsche 924 there. A few T4s actually. Little Suzuki, an old Polo. Here's a bay window.
Oh
flatbed.
yeah, that's one I'd like.
Yeah. Another old T4.
See some great things on the canal.
There's a few in this field here as well.
Yeah.
Little old dog.
Oh,
Used as a planter.
oh look.
Some kind of kit car thing next to it as well. If you know what that kit car is, leave us a comment below. Another bay window.
Oh, they're worth a fortune nowadays.
Sorry?
They're worth a fortune nowadays. Oh look, they've made a back end
trailer
of,
out of it.
yeah, that's the word I wanted.
Couple of T4s through there. Like.
Yeah.
Never to be used again by the looks of it.
No. Oh well. Onwards we go.
Long old train there. I don't think we've ever stopped so close to a train line. Busy line too. Good morning everybody, we've just moored up and going to have a cup of tea in a minute, but first I thought I'd formally introduce you to our new crew member. This is Floki.
Floki, say hi everyone.
There he is.
Hello, I'm Floki.
So tell us about Floki.
So Floki is definitely a Jack Russell cross. We think Border Collie, but we were told Labrador. But he obviously looks like a little Border Collie. So he needed rehoming, and we heard about him through the Marina grapevine, and we found out where the lady lived that knew about him. We went and knocked on her door. I said, I believe you've got a dog. But she didn't have it, it was her granddaughter that knew where he was. So we then spoke to the granddaughter, who's lovely, Chloe, and she agreed to bring Floki to us to introduce us and to see if he liked us, obviously.
Yep.
And we had planned to go on a little bit of a cruise. So some dogs don't like narrowboats, they don't like the sounds and the vibrations and everything, so we needed to make sure Floki was going to be happy in that environment. So having a little week's cruise was an ideal chance to do that. But luckily, Floki, sit.
He's been really good, hasn't he?
Sit. Good boy.
Yeah, look at that.
Has been really good. We've got some basic training already.
Let me just move back a bit.
But yeah, he absolutely loves the boat, and he'll lie on the back and he'll sit down. He does get a little bit anxious if I get off the boat, so we need to work on that. And recall training as well we need to work on, don't we?
Yeah.
So we've got all these different leads, all these different treats. And you're going to end up a fat poochie, aren't you?
Oh.
No, you're not. He's got too much energy for that.
But yeah, most of all, really good.
Yeah, so we did rename him. So Floki is his new name. But we think he's a keeper.
Yeah.
Aren't you? You're a good boy.
So we want everybody to say hi to Floki in the comments, please.
Floki, sit. Hey. Oh, no, we're losing interest. Sit. Oh, good boy. Good boy. I wanted you facing that way, though. Come here. Come here. See? Hello. Hello, everybody.
And there he is. That's Floki, and that's his story.
We're very lucky to have him, I think.
He's
just ideal.
Yeah, it's a great little guy.
Yeah, I knew it would happen this way.
Yeah.
I'm glad we were able to rehome a Poochie.
Sure.
And I'm glad that he's 3.5 and not a puppy.
Yeah.
I don't think we could have handled a puppy.
Yeah. But he's been really good on the boat.
Yeah.
It's just a few little
Don't eat the grass.
bits and bobs we need to work on, but yeah, lovely little guy. Yep, so that's him, Floki.
Stop eating the grass.
The new narrowboat project, Doge.
Wait.
There we go, guys, little vlog for you. It's been a lovely week out. We did the Brinklow pop-up shop and we went up to Hawkesbury Junction, which was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah, and this week was supposed to be raining all week, and as you can see, it is not raining right now. So we've been quite lucky, and the weather's been gorgeous. I've even got a bit of sunburn somewhere.
We have been lucky, yeah. It's been nice.
Yeah.
Didn't even really get the thunderstorm that we were supposed to get.
No, we had a little
either.
grumble. Might have been my tummy, but you know.
Could have been. Or not. But yeah, that's us for this week. Please say hi to Floki in the comments.
Floki's saying subscribe.
Subscribe, please subscribe. And hit that thumbs up button. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.